All right, the next part is while the band's setting up, like I mentioned to you, we have the Christmas cake. All right, and if you were to guess this cake for 20 rupees, the weight of this cake, you can take this cake back home. All right, but since nobody came forward, I think the better idea is to auction this cake. And I'd like to begin the auction. How much do you think we should begin the auction with? Give me an amount. Come on, be fair to somebody who's made this cake. 1 rupee is too less, isn't it? Okay, 100 rupees. I'm sorry? 200. Awesome. 500. Okay, Joel, 500. I'm sorry? Sharon is saying, no, she didn't say it. You got to say it aloud, yeah? $500 is over already. Joel's already said 500. There's no 50 rupees. You have to go up by 100 bucks. 700, Angela, come on, 700 rupees. 700. You can't go up by 50, you have to go up by 100. There I can hear community 2. Mark, are you saying something? 800, awesome. 800. 800. I'm sure you know the cake's value is much more than that. 800. 900. Zach, good job. 900. 900 by Zach. Next. 1,000. Great. Community number 2. 1,000. All right, now we are talking. We're coming closer to the actual amount of this cake. 1,000. 2,000. George, 2,000. Give it up for George, guys. That takes a lot of courage to go up straight by 1,000 rupees. All right, thank you, George. 2,000 rupees. Come on, you can do better. Angela. 2,000. All this money, by the way, is going towards church support, all right? It's not going anywhere else. It's going to go towards the projects of the church. So come on, I'm sure you can do better. Nachiket, would you like to give a better deal? You're continuously conversing behind. Nachiket, there are rumors you said 5,000. Is that true? Who's on? Father Daigo, 5,000 rupees. I think it only be fair when I stop this because it might just go way beyond this. But 5,001, George is very happy. Somebody made a better deal. 5,002, 5,003, sold to the parish team. Thank you, Father Daigo. Please give Father Daigo a round of applause. Very, very sporting of him to say that figure. Thank you, George, for bringing it up to this amount and then 5,000. Father, this belongs to you. All right. Thank you, Father, once again. Come on, clap for Father Daigo, please. All right. Before we start the band and everybody starts dancing, I just want to make a couple of special mentions to make this day possible. Obviously, I'd like to begin by thanking the parish team, that is Father James, Father Daigo, Father Melroy, Deacon Vernon, for all their support to make this day possible. I'm sure we had so many things on our mind, whether people are going to participate, whether communities are going to come in. But looking at this large number, I think we've made it. So thank you, fathers, for supporting this idea. All right, and putting this idea into action was the Silver Jubilee Entertainment Committee. Could I have you on stage, please? So everybody can see who the entertainment committee is. T, come. SP? Is SP around? Ruth, Auntie Ruth. Faye. Silver Jubilee, please come up. Silver Jubilee. SP, Ruth, Savio. All right, give it up for this team. SP, Ruth. Where's Ruth? Ruth, I can't see Ruth. Paging for Ruth. Father James and Savita, can you join this? Savi, Auntie Savi, can you join this, please? Father James, Father Daigo, Deacon Gordon, Father Melroy. Sisters, please join for a picture. Roy.
He got the action, he got the motion. Oh yeah, the boy can play. Dedication, devotion, turning all the night.
Give it up for this Silver Jubilee Entertainment Committee that has put this together.
The song about the night. Do the walk of life. Yeah, you do the walk of life.
Thank you. And our DJ this evening, who's provided the lights and the music, that is DJ Mango. Please give it up for DJ Mango. He's always giving us the best deals for the parish. Very economical music and sound system. So thank you, DJ Mango. Would like to thank Roy for the photography, the man behind making us look thin, pretty, handsome. Thank you, Roy.